Let us solve problem number 10 of Cauchy's integral theorem. The value of integral e raised to power 2z by z plus 1 whole raised to power 4 dz. Okay, then they have given contour. First, what I was saying, you should start drawing from contour and start comparing z minus x plus iy. Then I can write z minus this thing, I can write it as z minus 0 plus I into 0 because only z is there, is equal to r 3, radius is 3 and x center is 0 comma 0, xy is 0 comma 0 and radius is 3. Draw the contour 0 comma 0. Here this is I line 3i, I line minus 3i, this is x line 1, this is x line minus 1. Now minus 3 because radius is 3. Now z plus 1 whole raised to power 4, z plus 1 whole raised to power 4, z is equal to, you will get minus 1, 4 times minus 1. Okay, z equal to minus 1, it is inside the contour only, and this is z minus a whole power n. This is nth order Cauchy's integral formula, z minus a whole power n. So integral of c e raised to power 2z by z minus of minus 1, because z minus a should be the formula. Why? Because we have done already. Okay, so z minus a whole power n, minus should be there in between. That's why I have written z minus of minus 1 into 4 dz. That thing I can write it as 1 by n factorial, n minus 1 factorial, that is 3 factorial, 1 by 3 factorial into 2 pi i into d cube by dz cube into e power 2z, and you have to substitute z is equal to minus 1. After entire calculation you have to substitute z equal to minus 1. Do 1 by 3 factorial is how much? 1 by 3 factorial is 1 by 6 into 2 pi I, 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. 2 pi I into 3 times differentiation. Do 3 times differentiation. What you will get? Do 3 times differentiation. E power 2z. First time differentiation 2 e power 2z. Second time differentiation 4 e power 2z. Third time differentiation 8 e power 2z. Now substitute z is equal to minus 1 in this function because f of a right here. Then substitute, what you will get? 8 e power minus 2. Then do the calculations. 3s are 8 by 3 pi I e raised to power minus 2. This is the answer, 8 by 3 pi I e raised to power minus 2. Option B is correct. Okay, let us solve problem number 11. Problem number 11 is what? Using Cauchy's integral, the value of integral, Cauchy's integral theorem, value of integral they are asking. Z cube minus 6 by 3z minus I dz, where mod z equal to 1. Mod z equal to 1 means compare with z minus x plus iy equal to r. What you will get? This thing I can write it as z minus 0 plus I into 0 equal to r is 1. So x comma y center is 0 comma 0 and radius is 1. Then contour, what is the contour you are going to get? Contour is like this, 0 comma 0. This is radius I minus I. This is 1 minus 1. X line, I line. So after getting this r equal to 1, then what you will get? Take this denominator 3z minus I can write 3, take out z minus I by 3. Okay, I by 3, z equal to I by 3, it is inside the contour. Z equal to I by 3 is inside the contour. So this 3 you should take out common by, because what is the formula we have seen? 1 by z minus a should be there, 1 by 3z minus a should not be there. So 1 by 3 I have taken common, because this 3 is common, I have taken it out. Then z cube minus 6 by z minus I cube I by 3 dz. This thing I can write it as 2 pi I f of a. By 3 I am taking already, 1 by 3 is there. Okay, wait, if you are confusing, I will write like this. 1 by 3 into, this value is, I can write 2 pi I into f of a, f of I by 3. That means this is the function, this is f of z by z minus a dz. F of z is how much? Z cube minus 6. Now substitute wherever z is there, substitute I by 3. Then you will get 2 by 3 pi I into I by 3 whole cube minus 6. Now what you will get? 2 by 3 pi I into I cube by, what you will get here? 3 cube. 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27. 27 minus 6. Okay. Now do later calculation here. Here I am doing. What you will get? I cube is, I can write as minus I. Why? Because I cube is equal to I square into I. I square value is minus 1 into I. That is minus I. So I can write minus I. Then multiply with this thing. So 2 by 3 pi I into minus I. So what you will get? 2 by 3 pi into I into minus I square by 27 into 27 minus 6 to the 12, 12 by 3, 12 by 3 pi I. 12 by 3 pi I. Okay, then what you will get? This is 27, right? So you will get here as 2 pi by 81. This is plus 1. Okay, minus 4 pi I. Option A is correct.